So we haven't done a giveaway in a while, and I was thinking to myself, what's the hottest new thing coming out? And it's the Nintendo Switch. So I want to give you guys a chance to win not only a Nintendo Switch, but a baller Nintendo Switch bundle with games and Joy-Cons, everything you need to get your gaming on. We teamed up with the folks from isinstock.com. They're the guys you might recognize from AirPods. If you're trying to find a pair of AirPods, they would send you notifications, let you know when your store had them in stock. In fact, it's actually where I got my AirPods from. They do a ton more stuff too. If you want to find AirPods, Beats X, Google Wi-Fi, the Mavic Pro, NES Classic, Pokemon Go Plus, and a ton of other stuff, including LG's 4K or 5K displays, they can notify you. They also support retail options, so like Apple, Best Buy, Target, AT&T, etc. So any store nearby, they will let you know when they have it in stock. You can just put in your email address and they'll send it to you, or you can pay them a few bucks. They'll send you an alert as soon as it comes in. It's a really cool service, one that I use, so I was pretty happy to team up with them. So the link to them down below too, you should check out what they offer. So here is the giveaway. We're giving away a lot of good stuff. So first, international, don't yell at me in the comments. If you live on this planet, you could win. It's a US console, so the console is not region locked, but the little pluggy thing is gonna be US, so whatever, get an adapter and it'll work for you, but know that going in. So you could win Nintendo Switch. It's the gray Joy-Con starter bundle, but we're not just gonna give you that. We're also gonna give you The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, Has-Been Heroes, 1-2 Switch, and the official Nintendo Switch screen protection kit, because the unofficial one just isn't gonna do it. It might sound familiar, it's the GameStop bundle. We should be getting it in right on launch day. We'll send it to you as soon as we get that sucker in. We'll get it out to you. The giveaway is going to run for 10 days from the 15th of February till the 25th of February. We'll link to it down below if you want to enter. So don't enter on YouTube. Hit the link down below or go to technobuffalo.com and you can enter there and get your giveaway going. So thank you to the folks to isinstock.com. If you want to buy stuff, just check them out. They're not paying us for any of this. We just really like the service, so we teamed up to do a giveaway. And they're cool guys. They run the site themselves, and I like what they do, so figured we'd do something cool for the audience as well. Hope you guys enjoyed. Good luck, happy entering, and if you win, even if you don't win, you're getting a Switch. Let me know in the comments down below, and we can play on launch day. I'm gonna be playing some Zelda. I'm gonna be a Hyrule hero. See you guys in the next one.